Spring 2025 is here, and nail art is blooming with color and creativity. This season's trends capture renewal with pastels, bold hues, and eco-friendly designs. Your nails are the perfect canvas to express joy and optimism. Let's explore the top trends. Spring 2025 nails shine with vibrant palettes. Soft pastels like lilac and mint green evoke calm, while bold corals and electric blues add energy. Nature-inspired greens and terracottas connect to the outdoors. Try ombre or color blocking for unique looks. Colors set your mood. Pastels for peace, brights for joy. Get creative with Spring 2025 designs. Floral motifs like hand-painted blooms symbolize growth. Geometric patterns with bold lines offer modern chic. Minimalist nails with subtle dots or lines suit elegant looks. Abstract designs with colorful swirls let you play. There's a style for everyone. Spring 2025 embraces sustainability. Use non-toxic, vegan polishes for vibrant, planet-friendly nails. Pair with earthy greens or florals for eco-chic looks. Beauty meets responsibility. Keep nails flawless. Trim, hydrate with cuticle oil, and use a base coat. Choose chip-resistant polishes in spring hues and seal with a top coat. Visit a salon for pro care. Shine all season. Spring 2025 nails are all about vibrancy. Try pastels, florals, or eco-friendly looks. Which trend's your fave? Comment, like, and share your money with #SpringNails2025. Let's make this season colorful.